Hello Kipsters, welcome to today's math problem of the day. Remember, I solved problem number 1 and then you solved problem number 2. I am so excited to see your hard mathematician work today. Listen closely to story number 1. Think about what strategy you would use to solve. Two teams were playing basketball. The blue team scored 51 points. The red team scored 27 points. How many more points did the blue team score than the red team? Listen again. Two teams were playing basketball. The blue team scored 51 points. The red team scored 27 points. How many more points did the blue team score than the red team? Ooh, I heard how many more in that question, and I noticed that we're trying to figure out how many more one team got than the other. That means we must be comparing two numbers. When we're comparing two numbers, we're looking for the difference. So I want to know how many more points blue team scored than the red team. So I'm going to start by drawing the blue team. That's my bigger number. How many points did the blue team score? Yes, 51 points. So I can draw that in tens and ones. How many tens in 51? Yes, count with me. 1 10, 2 tenths, 3 tenths, 4 tenths, 5 tenths. How many ones in 51? Yes, 1 1. 5 tenths and 1 1 makes 51 points. And I know that's the blue team, so I can label that on top. Now, I know the red team scored 27 points, but I don't want to find out how many points there are altogether. I want to find out how many more blue scored than red. So if I want to find the difference, I can take away the part that's the same. The part that's the same is that 27 hiding inside here. Then the leftovers will be how many more. So I'm going to take away the 27 because that's how many points the red team scored. How many 10s should I take away for 27? Yes, 2 tens. 1 10, 2 tens. How many ones should I take away for 27? Yes, 7 ones. Oh my goodness, I'm looking at my picture though, and I don't have 7 ones. What could I do? We learned about this in an earlier problem. Yes, I should break apart my 10 so I have more ones. So I'm going to look at this 10. I'm going to carefully break it apart into 10 ones because I know there are 10 ones inside every 10. Wow, I broke that 10 up into 10 ones. I double checked that there were 10. Now I can keep taking away 27. I took away 2 tens. Now I need to take away those 7 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. All right, now I want to figure out how many more. I know that 51 points were for the blue team. We took away that the 27 points that the red team had too. So those leftovers must be the how many more. Let's count our leftovers. Count with me. 10, 20. Ooh, is that a full 10? No, so I'll count those extra ones by ones. 21, 22, 23, 24. I'm going to circle my answer. And I'm going to write 24 more points. Now I need to write a number sentence to match what I did. I know I started with those 51 points that the blue team had. I took away the 27 that the red team had, and in the end, we found out that there were blue team had 24 more points. 51 minus 27 equals 24. Wow, good work helping me break up that 10. That was some tricky math. Your turn to solve the problem all by yourself. Listen closely to the story. Jordan and Lila were playing soccer. Jordan scored 33 goals. Lila scored 15 goals. How many more goals did Jordan score than Lila? Listen again. Jordan and Lila were playing soccer. Jordan scored 33 goals. Lila scored 15 goals. How many more goals did Jordan score than Lila? All right, good luck. Don't forget to show your work, label your counts. If you run out of ones to take away, what do you need to do? Yes, you might need to break apart a 10 and write that number sentence. See you next time, Kipsters.